Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, super simple flip-flop upgrade. So let's get started. I've started with my flip-flop, and I really don't care about the color because it's going to be covered anyway with your foot or with the ribbon. So what I've done here is I've just glue dotted that there, and I'm just taking my ribbon and just wrapping it around my flip-flop. So we're just going to keep wrapping. And then when I get to the end, because I don't want this wired ribbon, I'm just going to fold this here and fold it there. And then I'm going to come back around and just take another zot. I can grab one of my zots, and I'm just going to put this right back here. That way you don't have the wire. I'm just going to set this aside. I'm going to take some of my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm just going to fold it in half and cut it and then put it into my mini Bowdabra. So I'm just going to lay that down, and I'm just tucking it under my Bowdabra. There's nothing special under here, just tucking it to keep it out of the way. Then I'm going to take our Patriotic. This ribbon is from our Patriotic ribbon kit. We're just going to scrunch this in, and if you look below, you'll have all of the materials and the sizes of the ribbon that I'm using. So just keep scrunching that in, and then I'm going to just fold this over here and scrunch that down in the center. Take my wand to just give it one more push, and then I'm going to take this ribbon here and just do the same thing, scrunch it. And I've already folded over the end here, so we're just going to fold that in. And again, I'm going to take my wand, give everything a really good push. Bring this back up here, pull this through my slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in my mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to separate the ends. Now this is a really cute little bow also to make for a ponytail holder, or pretty much use it for anything. I love these little scrunchy bows. And I'm just going to pull that through here, tie it really tight, and knot it. And then I'm going to take it over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm not going to tie it on with my wire because I don't want the wire to bother my toes. So what I'll do here is I'm going to use a zot, but I think you're better off if you just use a heavy duty craft glue. And we're just going to put that right here on our flip flop, and I'm just going to pull everything out. And now you have this really cute little flip-flop. So isn't that super simple? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video.